Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by heating oil and ghee together so spices release flavor without burning. Once hot, add cumin, bay leaf, cardamom, and cloves. Smell change tells you they're toasted. Make sure to keep heat steady. Too high and spices taste bitter. Add sliced onion and sauté until deep golden because caramelized onions build sweetness and color in the pulao. While onions cook, rinse rice. This first stage sets aroma and foundation for layered flavors in the dish. You add ginger, garlic, and tomatoes so their moisture and acidity deglaze the pan and create a cohesive sauce. Once the mixture reduces slightly, fold in rinsed basmati rice and green peas. Rice benefits from a light toasting for nuttiness. Sprinkle pulao masala and salt so every grain absorbs seasoning. Pour in hot water to avoid shocking the rice. Bring to a gentle rolling boil, then immediately lower heat. This sequence ensures even cooking and prevents mushy grains as steam develops. You seal the pot and simmer gently because trapped steam finishes rice cooking without stirring, preserving separate grains. Once time's up, turn off heat and rest the pulao so residual steam evens moisture. Make sure to wait. Rushing causes broken grains. After resting, gently fluff with a fork, fold in cilantro or fried onions for brightness, and serve hot. If rice seems underdone, sprinkle a few tablespoons of hot water, recover, and steam a few minutes. This quick fix evens texture without overcooking.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.